Hi, today I'm for the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the control panel first and then you'll see here some available options which icons you could change the positions of them, or just to add the new options or remove some of those options if you want. So just to do that, we should click here to this edit icon, and then you'll see here this down section with all of the invisible options. To use them on your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. So by this way you could add if you want all of these options. To remove some of them, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. To save the changes, click to go back or just tap to reset if you want to reset all of the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.